Flagship cookware is always about great food. Introducing the Flagship Grill Gold that converts any frying pan into a cast iron grill. Now available with classic and golden seasonings. 7 years back, we introduced the first Flagship grill with dry heat technology. Flagship grills are uniquely shaped to separate fats and excess moisture from the cooking surface. It's like cooking on an outdoor grill in the comfort of your kitchen. The only downside of the original model was the weight, until we created the lighter version. The lightweight model is easy to handle and it wouldn't clutter your kitchen. It converts any of your skillets into a real cast iron fire grill. Yes, just like the original version, it's designed to create the full effect of an outdoor grill right on your stove. It also works great as a defrosting tray. The polished bottom and premium golden coating are made for enhanced thermal conductivity. Specially engineered ridges evenly transfer heat, ensuring that your favorite dishes look amazingly good. All your favorite frying pan recipes can be grilled to perfection on the Flagship grill, just as tasty and much healthier this time. Like any pre-seasoned cast iron, Flagship is naturally non-stick. Food always has better flavor when cooked on cast iron, and Flagship takes taste to the next level. Even if you are not a professional chef, your guests will definitely think that you are. The non-stick surface makes it easy to clean. Dry it with a towel and it'll last a lifetime. And follow you everywhere. The Flagship grill takes up practically no space in your bag when you go camping and gives you the same perfect results even when used without a skillet. Please support tasty yet healthy Flagship grill cooking. After all, you can have your steak and eat it too.